Hello, parents. Once again, I'm here, Abha Jadhav, your 3D parenting coach, helping you to make your parenting effective and graceful. Today, I'm here to tell you the R's of your parenting with which you can check that whether your parenting is right or not. Right? So, let's explore the 4R. The first R is right habits. Are you inculcating right habits in your children? You need to see that since your child has born, the day your child has born, from that time only you start inculcating good habits in your child. Maybe for the first year the child is too small to adopt them, but slowly when you start preaching them with the habits and their benefits, they will definitely start adopting it. You have to create a system where they can follow those habits regularly, and soon you will see that they have developed those habits, and without that they cannot work then, right? So first R is for right habits. The second R is for right sleeping. Yes, many a times we ourselves don't take care of our sleep. We don't take proper 6 to 8 hour sleeps, and so we forget to take care of sleep of our children. When as they start growing up, they keep on watching TV, reading books and everything, and they don't maintain a proper sleeping timetable. So please make sure that your child, as it grows, he takes a proper sleep of at least 8 to 10 hours. Young children, they need more sleep than an adult. If we need 6 to 8 hours, they must be needing 10 to 12 hours a day, right? So whenever in the night, make them sleep early to sleep, early to rise, right? So make sure that they sleep by 9:30 or latest by 10, and let them sleep till morning 6 o'clock. So there they will have enough sleep, which will give them energy to rejuvenate for the next day, and it will keep their mind and their brain healthy, right? The third R is for right eating. Make sure that you inculcate right eating habits right from your from childhood of your small child, right? As your child comes in a stage when he starts eating, from that particular time only you give them such habit of eating everything. Make them eat everything, and please make sure that you don't make them eat in front of TV or showing them a video on mobile, because initially we feel that if we do this, a child will be busy in watching TV or video and he will eat nicely, but actually we are spoiling their habits. Later on it creates a lot of problem, right? Your child always require a TV or a mobile video to eat then. So please do not develop any of such habit in your child, right? So right eating habit is very important. Also make them eat slowly eating and chewing each a piece of food what is putting in the mouth. Ask them to eat it slowly, chewing every bit properly, right? Not to gallop or not to swallow the food, right? So fast eating is not at all recommended. So please make sure that you develop this right eating habit in your children, right? Make them eat everything, right? Make sure that you also create awareness about disadvantages of eating junk food, so that they cannot indulge themselves towards junk food, right? Now comes the fourth R is right education. I know most of the parents, they look for the best schools they can afford for their children, and they send them with very enthusiasm to the schools, right? They were thinking that they have taken admission of their child in the best school of the town. But at the same time, education is not only limited to the school, it also happens at home. So make sure you give proper time to your children. You sit with them to make their to do their homework. Also teach them to research, to surf internet in in some positive way to serve for some good informative sites where they can enhance their knowledge, they can enhance their understanding, right? So force should be on enhancing their knowledge and not gaining only percentages or marks, right? You should not force your dreams on your children. You should not force your children to score more and more marks. Marks are not important, right? Knowledge is important. So make sure you give right education about everything your to your children. So these were the 4 hours of effective parenting to check that whether you are going on a right way. So have a happy parenting. For details, you can contact me on 703901935 and for my post, you can follow me on Facebook with Active Baba handle, and you can read my post on LinkedIn also with Abha Jadhav as handle, right? So you can come to me, you can call me for further counseling. Till then, have a happy parenting. Bye bye.